Hey friends, if you wish to restore accidentally deleted network adapters on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's the thing. If you have accidentally deleted them, first of all, you need to ascertain that. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. And then expand this list of network adapters and check for the MediaTek adapter. Does it exist? If yes, right click on it and check if it is disabled or enabled. If it is simply disabled, then you can enable it. For example, if I disable this, okay, then I need to right click and enable it. That's it. It will fix the problem. But let us say I right clicked and uninstalled it. It was uninstalled. So there is no MediaTek adapter now and I cannot connect to the internet. In that case, simply select action and scan for hardware changes. You will notice that this adapter reappears, though it will not immediately connect you to the internet and everything, but now in a few seconds the network options will be available and then you can connect to it. Okay, so now you will be able to connect to the network adapter and it will work as normal. So the main solution was action and scan for hardware changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.